Jamaica Sunshine Girls are now en route to New Zealand for the Fast 5 Championship with an inexperienced squad, but ready to create history. As we hear in this report, the three-time runners-up fancy their chances of going even one better.
It was an almighty scramble the last time the Sunshine Girls made the trip to New Zealand. It was a trip full of chaotic scenes, including the recruitment of an ex-player and the head coach Connie Francis as a reserve player. However, all is set for the two-day Fast 5 tournament in Christchurch with a completely new core of players. The nation's captain Janelle Fowler and top-rated defender Shamira Sterling are two of the regular names who are missing. The hiccups of the previous scrambling have been solved, with all players now cleared to hit the Southern Hemisphere. Another sign of transformation is that the team will be guided by development coach Annette Daly.
Oh, they're excited. Most of the ladies are traveling to New Zealand for the first time. So they're excited and they want to see what this Fast 5 is about.
When the opening centre pass takes place in Christchurch, all eyes will be on how the depleted team copes. But there's no issue with the young team turning up, according to Daly.
Well, my mantra and my take on the situation is that young persons are going to need experience and they must start somewhere. So why not now? So I am not concerned that they are inexperienced. I just want to work with them, just continue to work with them for them to get the needed experience.
Giselle Allison and Romelda Aking George are the two most experienced players in the squad. But one newcomer, Abigail Sutherland, is in the frame of mind to leave a mark.
We're pretty nervous, but we're all excited. As I said, it's the first time for most of us going into Fast 5. Some of the ladies, it's their first international game. We're excited, but we're really driven and ready to work hard.
Fast 5 is akin to the T20 format of cricket, and the demands of the players will be different.
The goals is about setting personal targets and achieving them. So for the shooters, we have some very good shooters, and they want to ensure that they are shooting in the 90% percentage. That is what they're working towards. The defenders, they want to adjust their defensive play. It's a different style. Now you're protecting the edge of the circle and you're protecting two-point shots instead of protecting the post most of the time. So they're setting the targets, and that's what we're working towards achieving.
The Jamaicans were edged into a silver medal position at the last staging in 2018, 34-33 by New Zealand. The team is now en route for New Zealand after leaving the island earlier this morning. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.